Welcome! Let's get started and set up your account. First, go to PowerCalc.co, then to the Store page. You'll select the product you want: Core, Pro, or Pro Plus. PowerCalc is available in both metric and US units. And better yet, you can start saving time and money right now with our 30-day free trial. The Core package is for residential and small commercial projects like retail, professional offices, and restaurants with 15 distribution buses. The Pro package is for low to mid-rise commercial, shopping centers, government and professional offices, as well as corporate headquarters. This package has 50 distribution buses. Finally, and great for enterprise organizations, the Pro Plus package is for commercial and residential high-rise, industrial projects, shopping malls, and institutional, educational, or health facilities with 120 distribution buses. The really exciting thing is that this package has our one-line diagram and fault current calculation features. You will also select whether you want a monthly or annual subscription. You save 10% with a prepaid annual subscription, and discounts are also available for 4 or more users. Once your package is selected on the Store page, you will be directed to the shopping cart to indicate the number of users, options, and upgrades. After completing your sign-up, you will receive a thank you message on your browser screen confirming either your free trial order or your purchase. Following this browser message, you will receive 2 separate emails, both from sales@powercalc.co. The first message has the subject, Manage Your Subscription. It is a notice email about your purchase and directs you to set up your billing portal. A few minutes later, and once your container in the cloud is set up, you will receive a second email, Welcome to PowerCalc. This email directs you to sign into your account. If you don't see these emails, please check your spam account. If you can't access your account, just go to Sign In at the top of the homepage at PowerCalc.co and follow the instructions to change your password. Once updated, you'll be able to access your package and your project list, which stores all your work. Here's a tip. You can always use this method to access your project list. To finish setting up your account, let's set up the users in your design group. Open your project list and see the 3 buttons at the top left of the page: New Project, Archived Projects, and Users. First, click on the Users button at the top. If there is more than one user, the group administrator, that's the person who purchased the PowerCalc package, We'll click on the New User button to add each user, providing the user's email address. The number of users will equal the number of subscriptions purchased. For each user, the group administrator will specify actions related to the user's account. There are 5 possible actions next to each user's name: permissions, projects, block, re-invite, and remove. The group administrator clicks on the Permissions button to select each user's privileges. Create to start a project, View to view projects, Edit to make changes to the project, Print, copy, and archive. Next to the Permissions button is the Projects button. The group administrator places a check mark to approve each user's access for specific projects. After making the selections, the group administrator then clicks on the Assign Permissions button. Next to the Projects button is the Block button. Clicking this button prevents the user from accessing his account and the project list. Next to the Block button is the Re-invite button. This will resend an invite email to the user if the user has been blocked or is having problems accessing his project list. Next to the Re-invite button is the Remove button. This action will remove the user from the group. The user can be re-invited if the group administrator adds the user's name to the account and repeats the approval process. You have now set up your account. The whole team is now together in the cloud on their projects to collaborate and work together in real time.